Oh, that's nasty. Right into the body. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Well placed into the gap, possible too. Wow, that is extraordinary. That's a magnificent hit for a six. He looks in good touch. Well, the captain has been very smart with his bowling changes. Carved away through the gap for four. That is smart batting. There's such a wonderful crowd in to watch their favourite players. Good shot for a single. Last ball coming up. Turned away for a single. End of the first inning. Won't be long before we resume this thrilling contest.